Hello, assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome back to my year 4 art and design class. Today I'm gonna teach you guys on how to make a bird and nest craft. So today I'm gonna teach you guys on how to make these two birds and the nest. Before that, let me show you guys our learning objective. At the end of the lesson, student will be able to make bird and nest craft using paper. Student will be able to cut a paper to form a bird and nest. Student will be able to color it with different color paper and marker pen. The step to success is very simple. Just follow the video demonstrations on making the bird and nest. Okay guys, so in order to make the bird and the nest craft, you need a marker pen, ruler, scissor, pencils, glue, and I have here 5 different colors of paper. Okay, first of all, we have to make the nest first. This is how the nest looks like. Then once you have done with your nest, and you have to cut using the scissors. Are you done with your nest? Next, making the leaf, just a small leaf. Now once you're done with your leaf, then you have to cut the leaf with your scissor. Now it's time to make the bird. For the bird, I'm gonna use this, or you can use a compass, but this time I'm just gonna use this as my measurement. We're gonna make a 2 birds, so we need the blue and pink to make the bird. Once you have a circle, you just have to cut it first. And you have to make a wing first. Draw like this. Draw a straight line. Another straight line here, but a bit slanting. It's gonna be like this. Once you have this one, then you cut it. Like this, fold it like this. You have to do the same thing to this paper. So now you need a piece of paper as your background. Glue at the edge of the nest. Just glue here. So you will cut like this and glue your leaf. Your chicken, put it inside here. Now it's time to draw the bird feet. Now this is a cake.